Saturdays with Tom. Is the camera on? I think so. Let's take this confetti off. There we go. Oh, hi everyone. Saturdays with Tom. It's Tom and Jessica. And today we have a Saturdays with Tom. Yes, and today we chose what we'd be doing. So we're gonna do zombies. Little zombies. So what we've got today, my laptop, is glitter blood. So it does come off, so we'll be testing it with Tumble. I don't like this. This is torture. It's not. Yes, it is, Jessica. We're just gonna get the cover off a bit. Yeah, chicken. See the chicken. Okay, we're gonna show him now. He's a zombie. Jessica, can it be your turn? You see, it's you under me now. Just like real blood. I'm being tortured.
I love this song.
Okay, now it's my turn. Tom, get up. I'm not ready for this. You've got less blood than me. That's not fair. I'm a one. I fell onto the floor. Ew, that's so disgusting. I'm okay. OMG. Yes, and my mom and dad are talking, and also we've got the radio on. Oh, my hands are all sticky. Where's the tissue? Oh, Mom, pass me my cloth. I can't. I'm doing a video. Sorry about this. Yours is starting to come off. So I came from a blind bag, Tom. This is awesome today. Send us what you would like us to do, and also text this. Which game would you rather play? Dumb Ways to Die or Awesome Ways to Live? I'd play Awesome Ways to Die. Awesome Ways to Live. I'd play Dumb Ways to Die. It's an awesome game. Even though I've never heard of Awesome Ways to Live. That was for today. See you next week. It's Saturdays with Tom. What else could we do? I don't want to go. Me neither. Oh, that's a spray. Oh, flower. Oh, Flower's doing doing this because she found some flour. Why do you let her do that? Okay, we should be able to see now. I'm standing in the blood. Tom, you stand in the blood. No, I'm not getting my paws mucky. Just get your front paws in then, okay? Oh, this is so disgusting. It's awesome. Woo! Yay! And tomorrow there will be a video called Sundays with Sarah for women and boys, but mainly for girls. Oh, my paws are all mucky now. Okay, it's time you can step out.